Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you the 7 deadly sins origin game error, and the error is: notice the request could not be processed due to a temporary issue. Please try again in moment. And the error code is 300212225-0. So if you are getting this error in the 7 deadly sins origin game on Android devices, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your Android phone, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Brave VPN, Octohide VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, and after installing the VPN app, launch it and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Next solution is to switch internet connections. So first of all, make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the 7 deadly sins origin app and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Next, check the 7 deadly sins origin app server status. You can check the server status via the subreddit of 7 deadly sins origin, or you can also check the 7 deadly sins origin Twitter page or from the official website. And if you find that the server status is under maintenance or having outage, or if it is offline, then you can't do to fix this error. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check. Or you can also try to uninstall and reinstall the game. So tap and hold the 7 deadly sins origin app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm. And after uninstalling the game, just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for the 7 deadly sins origin app, and then tap on install button to reinstall the game, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve the 7 deadly sins origin app error. The request could not be processed due to temporary issue. Please try again in a moment. And the error code is 300212225-0. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.